Howdy, guys. This is Wild Bitcoin Bill again. I am back after several months of being away, studying, learning the market, and trying to find the right coach and team to help me navigate this wild and crazy cryptocurrency market, if you will. And I found a great guy who has a team all over the world in India and in South Korea. And this guy lives, breathes, and eats crypto all day long. He knows his stuff. And thanks to him and his company, Crypto Trade Z, which this is them right here. Bam! Crypto Trade Z. Thanks to these guys, I've been able to multiply my BTC even in the bear market, which is phenomenal. And talking with them and my experience, we decided to start a joint learning program, training program where you can start from scratch. If you don't know anything about Bitcoin, you think Bitcoin is a little bit of a coin that you don't have no idea, but you heard of it and you want to learn. We're going to start a website and a training program powered by Crypto Tradesy and their vast knowledge of the cryptocurrency market. And we're going to learn how to make money with Bitcoin and how to become, hopefully financially independent with cryptocurrencies. That's the dream. So, guys, I want to give you an example. I found a coin, ICO, thanks to them, called MTC. MTC is Doc Ademic. I heard about this way back before mostly anybody knew about it from my mentor, my coach, and Crypto Tradesy. And let's search for it right here. Let's see, MTC. Uh, MTC medical currency token. This is it right here. Doc Ademic, 34 cents. Now I got it for less than right here for less than 5 cents. I mean, even less. And I've made over 1,700% return on this ICO, which is just phenomenal in the bear market. And I've learned all sorts of fundamentals, all sorts of things that people should know, and putting together this team that's going to be teaching you guys how to do. What the heck with my green screen here? Oh, there we go. Okay, so crypto's been a little bit down lately, and people, it was hyped up, and then they went away, and there was all these scams and schemes, and I lost some money with these. I won't name them right now, but later on, we'll teach you how to watch out for crypto scams and schemes, and it's too bad because it gives crypto a bad name. Crypto is the future, the blockchain. So. Guys, and also if you don't know this website, CoinGecko, I actually like it better than CoinMarketCap because it gives you some interesting stuff. Let's take a look at the market, see what's going on. Bitcoin is at $7,147 right now. That is low, guys, and I believe it might go even lower. Now, if it hits 6 or 5, that's going to be pretty sweet to buy in, and this is going to skyrocket. So you guys, if you have some extra cash, I'd say buy Bitcoin. If it goes down, buy some more. Ethereum is sitting at 520. EOS, this is a huge one to watch out for, guys. It's going to be big in 2019. It's taken the place of Ripple as the third largest market cap, pushing all these guys down. We got Tron, Cardano. Cardano at 18 cents right now, it says a steal. Now, I'm looking at these and I'm telling you the price in US dollars, but what you should really be looking at, and one of the things you're going to learn in my course, is that you don't want to be looking at it in US dollars. And I'll explain that why later, but you want to look at it in Bitcoin. Okay, so you got to believe in the king daddy of all cryptos is Bitcoin. It's always going to go up, and in 10 years from now, one Bitcoin will be worth 50,000, 20,000, 100,000, dollars. And if you look at the trend of where it is against the US dollar all the time, Bitcoin's going to keep going up and up and up. So just look at Bitcoin. Okay, I have a friend, his name's Lou, and he loves trading crypto, and he's always telling me the price in US dollars, and it drives me bonkers because now I don't think in dollars, I think in Bitcoin. Wild Bitcoin Bill. things in Bitcoin. So you click here on BTC, and now it's showing you everything in Bitcoin price. That means that one Bitcoin is worth one Bitcoin, and that's all you care about. You want to increase your Bitcoin. The more Bitcoin you have, the better. So you look at all these other cryptos and you see what they're worth in Bitcoin. So to buy an Ethereum, you need 0.07 Bitcoin. To buy EOS, you need 0.0015. So you look at these, and then you look at what you need to buy. This is XVG Verge, very little to get one in Bitcoin. But then also you have to look at the full uh, the market size, market cap for each coin, the supply, the available supply. So we're going to teach you these fundamentals so you can study these cryptocurrencies and learn on your own, and then find some that you like. You got the technology behind it. I really like this Decred one, for example, right here, number 34. I realize you can't see my pointer now. Let's see if you can see it now. Ooh, look at that trick. Now you can see my pointer. Okay, Decred I really like. Digibyte. This is one that's phenomenal that my coach got me into from Crypto Trade Z. So we got to talk more about Digibyte also, and a lot of these coins, and show you how to take advantage of trading signals, how to day trade, how to accumulate coins. How to sell the ones that are not good coins. Uh, and basically the name of the game is just to accumulate more Bitcoin and trade all these guys so that you can get more Bitcoin and build some wealth. Build some serious wealth with cryptocurrencies. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have a training membership website, wildbitcoinbuild.com, powered by Crypto Trade Z. And we're gonna have daily signals. We're gonna have a coin of the week. A lot of cool stuff coming up, guys. So stay tuned. And thanks for tuning in. And I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.